Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bowling balls that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned bowler or just getting started, I've got something for everyone. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Brunswick T-Zone Frozen Bliss Pink Blue White 6-pound bowling ball. This is a recreational ball that's designed primarily for beginners, kids, or anyone looking for an affordable spare ball. With its bright and fun color scheme, this ball stands out visually, making it an excellent choice for casual bowling nights or introducing younger players to the sport. One of the standout features of the T-Zone Frozen Bliss is its plastic polyester cover stock, which ensures a smooth roll with minimal hook potential. This makes it ideal for picking up spares or for use in dry lane conditions. The high-gloss polish finish adds to its sleek appearance and allows it to glide effortlessly down the lane. At only 6 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, especially for younger players or those who prefer a lighter ball. While the T-Zone Frozen Bliss isn't designed for advanced techniques or high-performance gameplay, it excels in recreational settings. Its affordability is a major plus, and it's a great option for anyone who wants a reliable spare ball without breaking the bank. However, its lightweight design and limited hook potential mean it's not ideal for competitive bowlers or those who favor aggressive lane strategies. Overall, it's a fun and practical choice for casual bowlers, earning its spot at number 5 on our list. Coming in at number 4 is the Brunswick T-Zone Deep Space Bowling Ball. This ball is a step up from its sibling, the Frozen Bliss, offering a bit more versatility while still remaining beginner-friendly. With its mesmerizing indigo swirl design, it's an eye-catching option for bowlers who want style and functionality in one package. The T-Zone Deep Space is perfect for first-time ball purchasers or those who need a reliable spare ball. Thanks to its low hook potential, it's ideal for dry lanes or for bowlers who prefer a straight shot. The high-gloss polished finish ensures a smooth, consistent roll, while the durable polyester cover stock provides long-lasting performance. At 10 pounds, it's heavier than the Frozen Bliss, making it more suitable for adults and those with intermediate arm strength. What sets this ball apart is its affordability and reliability. It's a fantastic entry-level ball that doesn't compromise on quality. However, like the Frozen Bliss, its low hook potential means it's not designed for advanced bowlers or intricate lane strategies. If you're looking for a dependable ball to practice your game or pick up spares, the Brunswick T-Zone Deep Space is a solid choice and worthy of the number 4 spot on our list. At number 3, we have the Hammer Raw Red-Black Smoke Bowling Ball. This ball is designed for bowlers who want a high-performing yet versatile option for medium to light oil lane conditions. The striking red, black, and smoke color scheme gives it a sleek, aggressive look that matches its performance on the lanes. The Raw Hammer features a juiced hybrid cover stock that provides consistent lane reading and excellent control, especially on flatter, lighter oil patterns. This ball also boasts the proven Raw Hammer symmetrical core, which delivers a predictable and dependable reaction. It's an excellent choice for bowlers who value control and adaptability during their games. The ball comes with a 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty, which speaks to its build quality and durability. While it's not the most aggressive ball on our list, the Raw Hammer excels in providing a balanced performance. It's perfect for intermediate bowlers who are looking to refine their technique or for advanced players who need a reliable option for specific lane conditions. The main drawback is that it may not perform as well on heavier oil patterns, but its versatility and consistency make it a worthy addition to any bowler's arsenal. Securing the number 2 spot is the Hammer Arctic Vibe Bowling Ball. This mid-performance ball is a fantastic choice for bowlers who want a stylish and high-performing option without stepping into the premium price range. Its snow and purple two-tone color scheme is stunning and sure to turn heads at the lanes. The Arctic Vibe features the legendary Vibe core, renowned for its versatility and ability to suit a variety of bowling styles. Its HK22 base cover stock, combined with CT Max hybrid additives, ensures a smooth, strong, and continuous motion on medium to light oil conditions. The ball's 500, 1000, and 1500 Cia Air micro pad finish with Crown Factory compound topping adds to its smooth roll and consistent reaction. This ball is a fantastic option for intermediate to advanced bowlers who are looking for an affordable yet reliable ball for competitive play. Its versatility shines when used in varying lane conditions, although it may lack the aggressive hook potential needed for heavy oil patterns. With its blend of style, performance, and affordability, the Hammer Arctic Vibe earns its well-deserved second place on our list. Taking the coveted #1 spot is the Hammer Black Widow 3.0 bowling ball. This ball is the pinnacle of performance in the Hammer lineup, combining cutting-edge technology with the legendary gas mask core to deliver unparalleled results. Its bold black and orange design is both striking and symbolic of the power it brings to the lanes. The Black Widow 3.0 features the HK22 cover stock with aggression solid additives, giving it remarkable traction and control on medium to heavy oil patterns. Its 500, 1000, and 2000 Cia Air micropad finish ensures a strong and consistent hook, making it a favorite among advanced bowlers. The gas mask core, a staple in the Black Widow series, provides versatility and a powerful back-end reaction that's hard to match. This ball is ideal for competitive bowlers who demand precision and power in their games. While it's not the most beginner-friendly option due to its aggressive hook potential, it's a must-have for those who are serious about their craft. With a 2-year limited warranty and glowing reviews from users, the Hammer Black Widow 3.0 is the ultimate choice for advanced and competitive players, earning its rightful place as the best bowling ball on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy bowling!